In this video, we are going to discuss with the topic procedure of passing the budget the Indian way. A budget is one of the most important devices of financial administration. It is a device to control and regulate the finance of the state. In the days of laissez-faire, the budget used to be a simple statement of estimated income and expenditure of the government. However, since the emergence of a welfare state committed to plan and secure the socio-economic welfare of all its people, a budget has come to be a major instrument of starting and planning governmental policy plans and programs for the years to follow. So we need to understand meaning of budget. Budget is a term that has been derived from the old English word budgetary, which means pouch. Budgeting refers to the process of collecting, classifying, analyzing, and pursuing the facts and figures regarding the public income expenditure. It contains an account of governmental policies for the years or to follow. So too it can be simplified, defined as an annual financial statement of governmental income and expenditure. There is a budget division of the Department of Economic Affairs of the Ministry of Finance of these purposes. After 92 years of seeing them separately, the year 2017 witnessed the railway budget being merged into union budget. The finance minister presented the budget in Lok Sabha. The proposal on revenue and expenditure are discussed in the parliament. In this view regarding discuss with the according to Taylor, he defines that a financial plans of the government for a definite periods. Secondly, discuss with the DEMOC. A budget is a financial plan summarizing the financial expenditures, past and current plan. Also discuss with the budget system. Procedure of the passing of budget in India, two ways. Firstly, railway budget and also general budget. Regarding the total income and expenditure of the union for the next financial year are known as an annual financial statement over the budget. Before the beginning each financial year, the annual budget has to be passed by parliament because without prior approval of the parliament, no money can be drawn from the treasury and no money can be spent by the governments. So, general budget and railway budget is very important. General budget. In the general budget, the total income and expenditure concerning all the department except the railway departments it includes in the general budget, but general budget includes 2017 in railway budget add in union budgets. So we discuss in the general budget in different steps. First step is preparation of the budget. Preparation of the budget is a technical and complex exercise because it is a very basic of the whole economy of the country, particularly for the coming financial year. Specific fiscal policy, taxation proposal, and other economic measurement which is designed to lead a process of socio-economic development of the countries. And also railway budget is prepared by the railway minister and the general budget is prepared by the finance minister. Second parameter, main parts of the general budget. The budget in India has two main parts. Firstly, statement of income. In this part, there is a record of the income of the general government, all departments during the previous financial year. Secondly, statement of expenditure. In this part, there is a recorded as expenditure made by different departments of the government during the previous financial years. An account of the estimated income and expenditure of the union government in the coming financial year. The proposal regarding the change in existing taxation system and proposal for new taxes also. Expenditure to the charge on the consolidated fund of the India. So we discuss consolidated fund. According to Article 113 of the Constitutions, the member of the Parliament can have discuss on different items of expenditure. Different consolidated fund in provide in India. Firstly, expenditure relating to the income and other allowances of the president. Secondly, expenditure of the presiding officers of both houses of parliament. Thirdly, expenditure relating the income and allowances of the judges of the Supreme Court and High Court. And another consolidated fund drawn in expenditure relating the pensions of the judges of the federal courts, expenditure relating in the income and other allowances of the vice president also. So we next discuss the non-charge expenditure. Except the above expenditure, all other expenditure is known as the non-charge expenditure and it is presented before the parliament in the form of demands for grants. So we discuss in the stages in the passing of the budget. Firstly, introduction of the budget and budget speech. According to Article 112 of the Constitution, the President gets the statement of the estimated receipt and expenditure of the year prepared and presented by the Finance Minister. It is ordinarily presented in the last week of February. The budget is introduced by the Finance Minister in the Lok Sabha on a fixed date and fixed time. Secondly, the budget speech. Printed copies of the budget are distributed among the members of the enabling them through the details budget proposal and also discuss with the TV and radio. Thirdly, general discussion on the budget. There are 4 days after introduced in the budget, a general discussions on the salient features of the budget, talking in the place and discuss with the parliament. Next, vote on the demand for grants. After the general discussions is over, voting on the demands take place. At this stage, demands relating the expenditure to be made by the various aspects of the discuss with the government departments during the coming years subjected to discussions. Next, introduction and passing of the appropriations bill. After the Lok Sabha has discussed all the demands for grants for appropriation bills, discuss with the all firstly Lok Sabha and then next in Rajya Sabha. Rajya Sabha can return to Lok Sabha within the 14 days without its recommendations. Passing of the finance bill. All the taxation proposal contained the budget are given shapes and title of the financial bill, which is presented a Lok Sabha enactment and introduction to the appropriations of the bills. The finance minister, after the pass of the Lok Sabha, is submitted Rajya Sabha. Rajya Sabha withhold in only 40 days, 14 days. Next, presidential assent. It is the sent to be president for his assent. The passing of the finance bill virtually complete the process of the passing of budget after the signature of president. Vote on accounts. In our country, the financial year ends in 31st March, and in their difficulty to getting budget passed before the 1st April, the government can seek permission keep to making a necessary expenditure. So we say vote on account supplementary budget. Generally in the beginning of the financial year, the government prepare whole budget based on the supplement and estimated budget. Lastly, the contingency fund of India, according to Article 267, said that Indian Constitution, the Parliament can establish the contingency fund by passing the law. So we finally conclude that in the process of budget, in passing in the way of budget, budget is a technical and complicated activity. It has to be undertaken in the systematic and scientific way. Budget is a very complicated system, so we need very carefully to passing all budgets and discuss with three stages: first stage, second stage, and third stage. So finally approved after the signature of president. So budget is a very important proposal of revenue, expenditure, and discussed in the parliament.